guys, welcome back to the channel. I am your girl Jacinta, who loves things all on sale. If you're new here, come on in the room because today I am starting a new series. It's called Life with a Newborn. So let's do it. So why I decided to exclusively pump, it was just a frustration that we would have mainly at night. I decided just like for my mental health, and because I was trying to break down my labor and delivery, I felt that it was just like something that I needed to do for my mental health. So I decided to just exclusively pump, and that has been going really great. Again, my baby is about to turn 3 months and I don't have any complaints about it. The only thing is it is time consuming because even though your baby is asleep during the night, I still want my milk supply to continue to come in so I can feed my baby. And so one of my goals is to, because I'm an overproducer, I want to freeze 6 months worth of milk for the baby and stop at 6 months. But I don't know how that's gonna go, but that is one of my goals, is to pump for 6 months, freeze 6 months worth of milk, and so that way he'll have his 1 year supply. So the downside of exclusively pumping is that you have to do it around the clock. When your baby is asleep, when your baby is up, like I pump every 3 to 4 hours, and with me trying to go out to like socialize, it's really hard because I have to pump. I don't have a mobile pump, which I might get, I'm not sure, because you know, I am Jacinta who love things all on sale, and I haven't actually seen one that I am willing to pay for on sale. Like, they are like expensive, and so I may have to break down and buy one if I want to get back into like my social life. But right now we are pumping. We have our pump, we have our whole setup. I have Spectra pump that I have, and it's been working. It's not broke, so I'm gonna keep using that until I find a mobile pump, a breast-free pump that I can go around. But that's the only thing, like just going out and just having to come back home to pump, because right now I don't feel comfortable like pumping at other people's house or things of that sort. I pump it in the car. Like maybe I will like sometime one day, like, you know, get to that level, but for right now I do not like pumping outside of my house. And that is the only downside to pumping right now. And yeah, that's the only downside. That's the only downside. When I think about it and I research it, I know people carry around pictures of their babies as well as when they're pumping. They look at their baby on their phones, I guess to send a signal to your oh God, what is that hormone called? I forgot the hormone. It's like your pleasure hormone, so it can send more milk out of your body. And I just kind of like daydream and just think about my baby when I'm pumping, and sometimes I don't, and I get just the same amount sometimes. But again, y'all, I'm just new at this. This is just what I have experienced in the breastfeeding world. It is hard, but it is totally worth it, just to see like your body creating this milk, feeding your baby, seeing your baby gain the weight. Like, it's like when I go to my doctor, she's like, girl, this is you did this, you did. I'm like, I did do this. And just for her, one of our visits that we had with her, she said that she was so, no, was it her or lactation? I think it was a lactation specialist. Basically, she said, you know, because we did IVF, because I had a C-section, because I had PCOS, my hopes of breastfeeding was like slim to none. And she said that because I'm breastfeeding, she's like, oh my God, like I almost can't believe that your body is producing milk. And you know what? I almost told that lady, you know what? You don't have to believe it because God is my supplier, okay? He is my supplier. He will do what he need to do what he needs to do. But no, just hearing her say that, I was just so grateful. I went out of that appointment and I was just like, Lord, I thank you. I thank you right now for giving my body what it needs to do exactly what it needs to do. Like, I thank you for that. I'm so grateful for that because many moms, they don't have breast milk, you know, they can't breastfeed their babies, and for this I am very thankful. Like, I'm so thankful. And just for her saying that, I'm just like amazed at like just how God has like answered my prayers in so many levels, and he knows how I want, you know, things to be natural, in the natural. And so yeah, when she said that, I was like, I just thank God for being the savior of my life and just what he does and who he is in my life. And when she said that, I just knew like, oh my God, like, Mommy, we made it. No. Breastfeeding journey thus far, it's going pretty good. We do have a trip that's coming up, and I don't know how that is gonna go, but I'm not even worried about it. I'm just gonna focus on the now, because we get caught up in the future. We need to handle what's going on right now. So that is exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm not even gonna try to stress myself out of like how I'm gonna feed my baby when I'm gone, or the, you know, anxiety that comes with like leaving my baby, going out of the country without my baby. Like, I'm not even gonna worry about that right now. I'm just gonna do what I have to do right now and like savor every moment that I have with my baby right now, and just like embracing these moments with my baby, just seeing them drink the milk that my body has produced has been just amazing. And so I just want to make sure that I'm embracing each moment in my motherhood journey. And so yeah, that is slightly slim recap of my breastfeeding journey thus far. I don't have any complaints other than it is hard. You do have to stay dedicated and remember your why you are breastfeeding. And sometimes you just have to give yourself a goal. If you just say, okay, I'm just gonna get to next month. Next month rolls around and you're there, you could say, I'm just doing this on a monthly basis. Like, give yourself grace. Give yourself grace. That is what I'm learning throughout this motherhood, is make sure that you are giving yourself grace through it all. You don't have to know it all. You don't have to know it all. And just, you know, just go with it. Go with it. Y'all, I had to come to the doctor's office because I have been experiencing some pain in my stomach, and I didn't know what was going on. It was hurting. I had to pop pills to some of the pain. So I'm here. I just got finished seeing the doctor. Oh gosh. I'm gonna brief y'all when I get in the car. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and come back to my mom series.